Here we are on determining compound probabilities from relative frequencies. And I'm going to start the table, and then I'm going to recommend that after a certain point, you pause me and you finish the table out because it's a lot. And we're going to need this table for the next one. For the next page after this one, okay? So activity 3 goes from 840 to 841. But this video is only for filling out the table. So after you see me start it and you get an idea of what to do, finish it, okay? Have a calculator in hand, have a pen in hand, let's go. A survey of one class looked at a student's favorite after-school activities. The frequencies, means the count of them, of high school juniors and high school seniors' responses are in the table. So we have a junior category, and I'll put grade level up here. And we have a senior category, and then we have an activity category. Okay, so two variables that we're studying. Juniors who listen to music, there are 30 total students. There are 5 out of 30 total students, relative frequency, which in the calculator, clear. 5 out of 30 is 16.7%. Just a reminder, move the decimal 2 spaces because you're going to multiply by 100. That's going to turn it into a percent. And then instead of writing out 6, repeating, you're just going to like truncate or stop at the tenths. Look at the next number over. If it's 5 or greater, then you go back to the 6 and you raise it by 1. And the next one, 3 out of 30. I know that to be 10%. And then if I add 5 plus 3, I get a total of 8. So 8 out of 30. I could also just add these percentages. 16.7 plus 10% is 26.7%. I don't need to calculate that because I already did. And I add them to get the total. If you think you know what's up, finish this video. Skip forward to like the last 30 seconds just to see if where you got matches mine. I'm going to keep going. You're welcome to stick around and watch. 5, which I know is 16.7%. 4 out of 30, calculator, 4 divided by 30 is 13 times 100, 13.3%. So then 9 out of 30 should be these two things added together, which is 30%. 1 out of 30 is 3.3%. 2 out of 30 should be 6.7%. Add them together. 1 plus 2 make 3. 10%. 3. 10%. 0. 0%. 3 plus 0 is 3. 10%. Surf the internet. Already did the 2. 6.7. 2 again. 6.7. Should be able to add them, but I know 2 plus 2 is 4, and 4% is 13.3%. 0, 1, 3.3%, 1, 3.3%, 1, 3.3%, 1, 3.3%, 1, 3.3%, 0, 0%, 1, 3.3%, 17, which is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 5, yep. 17 out of 30, 56.7%, 13 out of 30, 43.3%, and 30 out of 30 is 100%. How did you calculate each relative frequency? I took the frequency and divided by 30, and then I multiply by 100 to get the percentage. How did you decide which total to divide by to calculate the relative frequencies? This one I actually did think about for a minute. So within the cell of juniors, I would say 17 is the subtotal. And within the seniors, I would say 13 is the subtotal. However, the total is 30, so every number in the relative frequency table is divided by 30, including 30 itself. And if you're not sure that you did it right, you should be able to add up these percentages and get 100, just like you should be able to add up the 8, 9, 3, 3, 4, 1, 1, 1 to get 30. Hey Siri, what's 26.7% plus 30% plus 10% plus 10% plus 13.3% plus 3% plus 3% plus 3%?
I found this on the web.
Doggone it, it's 100. The last 9 videos, Siri has refused to calculate. It's annoying. Thank you for watching, commenting, liking, and subscribing. You need this page for the next page. This is your work so that you can answer some questions. Page 841 is next. See you in the next episode.